Welcome back to Ifass Tech YouTube channel. If you are learning networking, CCNA or Cisco Packet Tracer, this video is going to be very helpful for you. Did you knowing the Cisco provide a free Packet Tracer course with the official certificate from the Cisco Network Academy? Yes, you can complete the course online and receive the Cisco certificate completely free. In this video, I will show you step by step how to register on Cisco Network Academy, how to enroll in the Packet Tracer course, how to complete module, and how to download your official Cisco certificate. So make sure you watch this video until the end because I will also show you how to add this certificate to your LinkedIn profile and a CV. Let's begin. First, open your browser. Now go to the official Cisco Network Academy website.
www.
This is official learning platform from the Cisco where a student can learn networking, cybersecurity skills, and IT skills. Many universities and training institutes also use Netacad course for the CCNA training. If you are new to Netacad, click on sign up like this. Here you need to enter your first name, your last name, and your email address and create your account easy way. I have also account and I use my Google account to sign up this website. So I will go to the Google account. After that, Cisco will send you verification email. Once you verify your email, your Netacad account will be active. Now you can access the Netacad dashboard. Now go to the course section like this. Search a course called Introduction to Packet Tracer or Cisco Packet Tracer. There are so many courses like cybersecurity, networking, AI, data science, programming, information technology. I need only Cisco Packet Tracer. So I will click Cisco Packet Tracer course, start like this. This is beginner level course designed for the student who want to learn network simulation, basic networking concept, how to use Cisco Packet Tracer. Click on enroll to join this course. I have already done this course, so I will resume this course. After enrolling, the course will be open. Inside the course, you will see different modules like download and use Cisco Packet Tracer and create a Cisco Packet Tracer networking. Each module contains reading material, interactive content, practical activities. Take your time and complete each module carefully. At the end of this course, you will see final assignment or quiz. You must complete and pass this quiz to finish the course. Don't worry, the questions are based on a course content. So if you read the module carefully, you will easily pass the assignment. Once you pass the quiz and course will show complete status. Now the most important part, after the completing the course, go to the achievement and certificate section in your Netacad dashboard. Like this, learning, achievements, this is certificate. Here you see your Cisco Packet Tracer certificate. Click and download. Download. Your certificate will be downloaded as a PDF file. This certificate is issued by Cisco Networking Academy, which is recognized worldwide. Let me give you a quick professional tips. If you can add this certificate to your LinkedIn profile, go to the LinkedIn and open profile. This is my LinkedIn profile. I will go my view profile. Search aid license and certification. License and certification. Click the plus icon. Now type your course introduction to packet tracer and issuing organization Cisco Network Academy. Issuing date March 2060. Now add your graduational ID and URL there and add skills like what you learn in this course. For example, networking like this, and save the certificate on there. I have already done and also upload on my LinkedIn profile like this. This is my courses which I done time to time. Like recently I done my quantum business foundation course. These are my courses which I will done timely, just like Google cybersecurity specializations, learning Cisco CLI switch configuration, critical quantum safe cryptography, so on. This certificate is useful because it shows that you understand basic network concept, network topology, Cisco packet tracer simulation. For beginners who want to learn CCNA, networking, or cybersecurity, this course is a great starting point. So in this video, we learn how to register on Cisco Netacad, how to enroll in a packet tracer course, how to complete the learning module, and how to download your Cisco certificate. If you want to learn Cisco networking step by step, make sure you subscribe to Ifass Tech YouTube channel. On this channel, I will regularly share Cisco Packet Tracer Labs, CCNA networking tutorials, networking concept for the beginner. So if you want to improve your networking and IT skills, don't forget to subscribe and support the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next video.